Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this lovely BMW F700GS. This one is the Rally Adventure, and it's also the low chassis model as well. So typically adventure style bikes are really tall. This one's not. You've also got the fuel tank here located underneath the seat, so it lowers the centre of gravity. So they're a really good bike if you're not 6 foot tall. It's got the SW Motech engine bars on there. It's got a top box. It's got a fender extender, and it's got a sump guard on there as well. It's a 2017 on a 67 reg, and it's an 8,707 miles from new. On this one, you do get the riding modes and the heated grips on there as well. They're properly factory fit. And it's just a stunning bike. Obviously, the Rally with that red frame looks amazing as well. So if you do fancy it, please do give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.